So as we enter into the sample flat through the foyer area, we see a massive L-shaped living and dining space. The living and dining area is attached with a massive balcony. In all the balconies, anti-skid tiles have been used. However, vitrified tiles have been used in the living area, dining area and the kitchen. Also, near to the entrance towards the right is a guest area with a guest bedroom, it has also got an attached balcony which are lined with anti-skid tiles. The guest washroom is fitted with all the fittings and have the same anti-skid tiles as of balcony. Attached with the living and dining area is the kitchen, and in the kitchen you will get granite slabs, sink, fittings and fixtures, and also there will be a gas pipeline connection. Ahead of the living and dining area is the second bedroom. It also has an attached balcony. It also has an attached washroom to it. At the end of the apartment are the last two bedrooms. This one is the third bedroom. The room is very spacious that a study table can be placed along with the bed for your kids. This bedroom too has a balcony attached. A spacious bathroom is attached with this room as well. Opposite to the third bedroom is the master bedroom, which is the largest bedroom in the apartment. It has its own personal walk-in closet, which leads to a spacious bathroom. The master bedroom is attached with a king-size balcony which overlooks the central green and the clubhouse. Just like all the other bedrooms, this too has a laminated wooden flooring. Thank you for taking this tour with me. Reach out to Godrej Properties for any queries and we will be happy to resolve them for you. We would be delighted to welcome you to one of the most secured address in heart of Gurugram.